My name is Andy Mercer, and I'm the Director of Information Systems at Functional Devices. Functional Devices manufactures electric components. It's the little stuff that goes above the walls. It's what you don't see. It's the relays, the current sensors, and we've been doing this for nearly 60 years now. Functional Devices was purchased by private equity in 2020, and one of the big priorities they brought to us was the idea of getting off of our homegrown ERP system. CloudSuite Industrial has been really transformative for our business. Moving to the cloud removes the ERP system as a limitation for growth. We've grown nearly 30% over the past 3 years, and a lot of that is due to how much of our business can really be driven from one platform of software. It powers everything from purchasing, through inventory, through production into finished goods, through allocation to customer orders, doing the actual order entry piece, and even forecasting, business intelligence. So CloudSuite Industrial has just been a fantastic platform that we really rebuilt our entire business around. We worked with Decision Resources as our initial implementer, and we came away with just a fantastic implementation, and we're really happy with it. We've grown employee efficiency by almost 25% over the past few years in terms of our revenue per employee. Been able to grow the business without growing headcount, which has really helped with the profitability of the business. And we think that's mostly due to the software stack we're using. Our shipping department has been able to nearly double its throughput with only growing headcount by less than 50% due to being able to integrate pick, pack, ship. By the time they finish clicking the button in Sightline, they can go over to UPS Ship Manager or UPS WorldShip, and the data is there ready to go. One of the things that we launched last year was a new e-commerce portal through our website that we're letting our distributors use. It's something that they've been asking for a while, to be able to place orders as well as to see status of existing orders, tracking information, open AR balances, that kind of thing. And all of that is data that's coming from Sightline because the portal is directly integrated to Sightline through the REST APIs, through Ion. And the fact that the Ion REST API is so performant lets us do a real-time solution for those customers. So when orders come in, they show up on their portal within seconds of them entering Sightline. And our customers have been extremely happy with being able to see all that information. One of the strengths of Infor CloudSuite is the extensibility and the amount of personalization that it allows. It lets us really tweak the system to match what we need to run our business.